Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to clone SIM90P, which used in Dodge like Avenger and some other car. It use 2.4 liter engine. So I'm going to show you how to clone this one. So first we need we can select a Dodge and we can select this one and use the Siemens SIM90P. Shows all the instruction, adapter, but this is for 90T. So how to do is 90P. So this is the board, and this one is different. It has two chips. This one is one for adapter and this one is another for adapter. So basically we're gonna clone for the engine computer. It's not for the transmission computer. Engine chips, not for the transmission chips, so which are on the left side. And basically we just use the adapter, and we can just sorting all the wires pin to pin. This will be one. So on the left side, the first one will be one, and basically you just like that, sorting all the pin to pin. The first one to here, first one to here, and on the right side, first one goes here. So basically you just sorting all the pins and use this adapter, connect the wire here, ground, power, ignition, and after that click here. And so basically to use micro MPC 561 and use this flash, and you just click OK, and you can just read reading device information. Yeah, it's reading. And just remember there's two more chips, eeprom. It both use ST95320, and you need read and flash those two chips too. Then you just copy all the data to the donor one. So this is how you clone for SIM90P engine computer.